Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to replace the seatbelt buckle in the rear seat of this BMW X3. Follow me as I show you how. So what we're going to do is feel under here and we're going to pull up. We're going to switch sides and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Pretty nasty down there, huh? Now we're going to replace this seat belt right here, which requires removal of that bolt. And that bolt is a T50 bolt. Now that that's free, we're going to remove the seatbelt sensor. And for this, I think we're just going to kind of pull at it. There we go. So what I'm going to do is remove this tape that came from the factory on this, because I have a feeling there's a clip under there. It looks like maybe that hole is what we got to go in through to release it. So this just ended up pulling out using a little bit of force. You want to be very careful to hold this whole piece while you pull on it so that you're not straining these wires. Anyway, we're going to be out with the old and in with the new. And it's just going to be a reverse process of that. Now that that's cleaned up, we're going to replace the belt buckle. This thing lines up in the hole in the back. This part will reconnect. And we're going to use some tape, the same tape that came off of it. And we're going to wrap that back around. I'm going to insert this piece last. What we're going to do next is reinstall the seat cushion. We have to line up our seat belts. Once you've got these lined up and outside, it's simply a matter of pushing the seat back down. And it's clicked into place. If you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, or commenting.